Welcome to the Timelock Documentation Electrical Panel Pro app, the easiest way to securely document and track electrical panel maintenance, repairs, or equipment installations. If you haven't set up your teams, or your team members haven't downloaded the app, be sure to watch our permission levels and teams video and the Electrical Panel Pro mobile app video. The first time you use the web dashboard, you'll need to create a project. Click Projects on the left side, then click the Add Edit button. Give your project a name, then click Add. If you'd like to sync the project with an Autodesk account, click OK at the prompt and log into their system. Once your project folder appears in the list, click to select it. At this point, you'll need to add an inspection location. Click an empty location slot, then click Add Edit and name the location. If you'd like, you can add stakeholder or client emails to the location at this point. Just type them in the lower box, and any documents you create in the project will be emailed out automatically. Be sure to hit Enter between each address. When you're ready, click Add. Now you're ready to fill out a panel certification for that location. Click the location you just created, then click the next open space in the certification column. Now, click the Add Edit button. Edit the title of the document to fit your current inspection needs. Then, fill in the details, and be sure to enter the panel type. You can use the comment box to add document details. If you're not adding a panel, change to the appropriate equipment or bus type. Choose a torque requirement and select the settings and values. Enter the names of the feeders and choose the phase. Then add any remaining details. Now, click the torqued and passed buttons to toggle them to green. If the work is ongoing or incomplete, leave the appropriate toggle in the default position. It'll stay gray. To add torque and Anchorage settings values, click Torque Settings, then choose a commissioning torque requirement. Make sure the wire name gets added to the notes on each photo in the Field app so it can be linked to the wire in the grid or line view. Finally, save your entry. This will insert the torque values into the certification. If you need to edit the values, click the pencil next to the item in the web dashboard. Once you've saved the certification, you can click Grid View to see what your printed spreadsheet will look like. You can also tap on the feeder link ID to edit the feeder or the feeder name photo link to view the individual photo. All of these links open in a new tab, so you won't lose your place in the system. Each certification can have up to 50 wire inputs with torque values. If you need to delete an entry, just click the trash can. To enter an equipment anchorage or bus connection, repeat the process. Once inspections have been modified in the field using the app, you can see the photos and signatures in the dashboard. Just click the links at the bottom of the page. You can even view the full emailed certifications in the Emailed Certs column on the right side of the dashboard. These documents open in a separate tab for easy viewing and downloading. All items, from project folders to certifications, can be locked to prevent editing, or hidden from app users. Simply select the item you want to lock or hide and click the appropriate button. You'll be able to see which items are locked or hidden using the icons that appear next to their names in the dashboard. The web dashboard also makes it easy to create locations of panels and equipment before they're installed or wired, then push them to the field for pre-construction planning. And Timelock documentation syncs data instantly across web, iOS, and Android platforms, and you can easily download everything right from your dashboard. With the Timelock documentation dashboard and Electrical Pro application, you can create professional, secure visual inspections. To learn more, visit Timelockdocs.com today.